Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON Mars. My friend. Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 25. We are moving up slowly and steadily. The markets are coming back. Look at this. On Gemini, the perfect retracement, almost like we're seeing in DOGELON Mars. Anyways, let's get straight into the overall market. Go over this for about a minute and then move straight into DOGELON Mars. So we have seen strong buying pressure as it came down and hit the retail traders' stops. It broke through this 48 level all the way down to the 42, pushing higher because there were many whale buying orders here. Now, it's going to take a lot for us to break through this level here because, as we can tell, there was a whole lot of buying pressure. So, this is what we want to see in the future. Right now in the overall market, we are seeing a strong push to the upside. However, it is still possible that we can continue moving to the downside. So, what we want to see here, let me draw some levels out for you guys on Bitcoin / the overall market. What we want to see here, this is the daily candle. We want to see, first of all, we want to not see all the selling pressure continue. Right now we are seeing inverse hammer form, which means selling pressure is imminent in right now. Right now it's happening. So what we want to see in the next coming days is it to close above this $53,000 level. Once it does that, our next level of this is what we need to watch out for right here. This is the top level. Oh, I just woke up. I saw these beautiful charts. Now I'm updating you guys. Hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis. The top of this is 59. The bottom of this is 53. This is our next level of resistance. Now, our next level of support is here. Alright. This is our next level of support on the daily candles. If it does come down to this 47 level, we want to see strong buying pressure pushing to the upside. If we don't, that means we are going to move back down to these 37s right around here. Alright? That's our next level of support. So, what we want to see is strong buying pressure on this 47, or within the next day or two, strong buying pressure pushing through this 53 and closing. All right, let's get straight into Elon, the one and only. Beautiful. 21%, 68. If you got in as I issued the Patreon alert, you'll be up major bags right now. So, guys, congratulations for that. Look at this. We haven't even started our run, guys. We have not even started our run. This was the tiniest spike. We spiked above it. Now we are averaging down, making lower highs but higher lows in the long run. Right now is a beautiful time to start averaging in. Even though we've seen a 22% spike, it is still a nice time to start getting in. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. Alright, what we are seeing here is a 50% retracement on the daily candle. We are starting to see buying pressure exactly how we want to see. Now, what we have seen in the past, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you guys are OGs, then you have seen me talk about this one play over and over. First confirmation to get in was as this candle went down to 50%. We are seeing the exact same thing here. Alright, what we want to see, let me get real technical for you guys. What we want to see is buying pressure exactly where it's showing right here. So right here would be a nice point to average in. All right, 12.16. As it's coming down, we have a high potential that this is going to be our new support level. All right. So this is a great time to start adding 1/4 to your bag. We use the 1/4 rule here on this channel. That means if you have $1,000, each confirmation you average 1/4 in, $250. All right, my friends, we are seeing beautiful retracement right along this big green confirmation candle. And this is what we want to see. This is what we like to see. After confirmation candles, this is called 50% retracement. And then what we want to see after this tomorrow is a big green candle coming and breaking over this 1317 and closing around these 1390s to 14s. All right, that's called the 3-bar play. That means that is an extremely bullish reversal trend, indicating that this is our new floor. Okay, now we've seen a doji candle along with a spike to the downside showing big buying pressure. This is extremely bullish, guys. Right now is a great time to begin averaging more into your position if you have not averaged in already. Now, if you have sold on this little dip, I feel very bad for you. You just lost money that you didn't have to lose, but that's okay. Because if you were in the Patreon, then you have the mindset it takes to hold through these dips, because you really do know these dips are just a discount, all right? We keep you guys updated in there. Extremely strong people in there, and you guys are freaking legends. All right, let's get straight into this. So, like I said, right now is a prime buying opportunity. What we want to look for in the future is a big green candle closing over this 13 level, and bada bing, bada boom. Now, to the downside, if it does happen to reverse and this red candle keeps going down, it very well could, but I don't think it will. What we want to see is, let's get to some smaller time frames, get some more price action going for you guys. What we want to see here, if it does break through this support level, we want to see support around these 11s, all right? We want to see support around these 11s. Let me repeat. We want to see it come down and then push off with a big green candle showing whale buying power, institutional buying power, exactly like what we saw here. Came down, touched this triple bottom. Not triple bottom. It came down, touched here, and then showed a nice green candle moving to the upside. All right? That indicates that we have a strong support level there. So, to make it real simple for all of you newbies trying to learn technical analysis, first of all, you're in the right place because I make it real simple for you guys. And if you want to know in-depth technical analysis, like super in-depth, how to read emotional cycles, find support resistance, how to read different chart patterns, then check out my course. It is currently 50% off, all right? Now, I'm doing this because it's not 100% complete, but you will gain access to all the material as I make it. The link is in the description. It is 50% off, so go check that out if you want to take trading seriously and trade independently. Let's get straight into it. Make it super simple for you guys. What we want to see, if it drops down to here, we want to see it come down to this 11s and then push off with volume, all right? Confirming this is our new floor. And push off with volume, meaning the volume is bigger than these last 3 candles. So it'll be around this last one here. All right, that's what we want to see, or bigger, preferably bigger. Now, to the upside, what we want to see, daily candles. We want to see this candle either close where it is. Okay, to make it simple, we do not want to see this candle, this daily candle, close below the 1216 level. That is 50% of this candle. If it does, that means we most likely will be heading lower to those 11s, all right? Which is completely fine. However, if it closes above these 1211s, then we need to look for a move to the upside. And right now is a good time to start averaging in, because even if it does break to the downside, you can just average in more, bringing your break even to about here. And when it spikes, you're in a nice position. However, if you wait and then you wait for it to break up here to confirm that this is a 3-bar play, you are getting a much, much higher price than if you were to average in here, all right? You see what I'm saying? So this is how you mitigate risk and maximize your profits. I go over all of this in the course if you're interested, but I also go over on it on this YouTube channel, just not too in-depth, and it doesn't show you guys how to do it. So this is beautiful, this doji candle, indicating the neutrality in the market right here. when it was in extreme fear, we were seeing a doji candle, which is really nice. All right. Overall, we are in a bullish trend. We want to watch exactly the levels I just went over. And let's just bring out the fib level for you guys, because everything is looking beautiful, honestly. Honestly. Look at this. Came down, touched the 0.618 level. Now it showed some resistance around this 0.5 level. And this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see it close above this, indicating this is a 3-bar play. Now, this will be a very, very strong 3-bar play. It showed a hammer here. And then if it closes above that 12-11 level, that means, oh man, we're going to Mars, guys. This resistance here is not going to be anything, all right? It's not going to be anything. So, hit that subscribe button. Daily in-depth technical analysis. Crypto Billionaire 69. Out.